go. They have nailed almost every dive they've done in practice earlier today.
Wow,
and so
great
it continues.
synchronisation. So precise going into that pike. Look at this, the knees, the use of the knees and the heels to get as much height. Pretty like, isn't it? Look at this, look at the replay. Hard to fault it, and that's in slow motion as well.
Well, this is going to be a massive score, and so it should be. And they have perhaps cemented the gold medal with this dive, with even one to come. 106.56. The low score for execution, 9.5. The low score for synchronisation, 9.5. That has just about put the gold medal in their back pocket.